Hey there, did you know you can personalize your Alexa experience? From the music you listen to your favorite sports teams, and even food preferences, you can customize your Alexa experience to fit your life. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to do this and way more. So let's start with music and podcasts. Alexa can connect to all the major music services like Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music, Pandora, SiriusXM, and more. To set up Alexa Music with your favorite music provider, open the Alexa app, tap More, and select Settings. Scroll down to Music and Podcasts, and then link New Services. From there, you can sign into your favorite music service. Then, just make sure the provider you added is set to your default service. Next time you ask Alexa to play music, sure remember to use this source. Once it's set up, you can ask Alexa for content based on mood and say things like, "Alexa, play workout music."
The playlist Fresh Dance on Amazon Music.
Or you can just ask Alexa to play a genre, artist, album, song, or playlist. It's up to you. It's almost game time, let's talk sports. If you have a team you love, just say, "Alexa, follow the Golden State Warriors."
Okay, I've added the Golden State Warriors to your favorites.
Once you add your favorite teams, Alexa can show you their upcoming schedule and highlights from their last game, give you real-time scores, news updates, and even remind you right before their next game starts. And the best part? Alexa, what's my sports update?
Here is your sports update. In basketball, today, the Warriors outplayed the Celtics 107-97. The Warriors will play the Celtics next Monday, June 13th at 7 p.m.
It's really never been easier to follow along with my favorite teams. Let's go Warriors! All right, next up, food and recipes. One of my favorite ways to use Alexa is to ask for recipes. But did you know you can get personalized recipe ideas based on dietary preferences? Get started by saying, "Alexa, open food preferences."
Here are your food preferences. Tap the ones that best fit your household's diet.
Once you've made your choices, these preferences will get applied to all your Alexa recipe recommendations. So you'll only get recipes that fit your life, whether you're a vegetarian, pescatarian, keto, gluten-free, or low carb. Once it's all set up, you can now say, "Alexa, show me popular recipes."
Here are the popular recipes for the day.
And you'll get them right on your Echo Show. You can also say stuff like, "Alexa, show me pasta recipes."
Finding some pasta recipes. Okay, for pasta, here's a few recipes.
Or, "Alexa, what should I eat?"
Here are some ideas for what to eat.
There's a few in there the kids are definitely going to love. Next up, communication preferences. This is how you can use Alexa to talk to your friends and family hands-free. Let's open our Alexa app one more time and click on Communicate. Then, tap the contacts icon in the top right. Then just follow the steps to add individual contacts or automatically sync your entire address book. You can even tag your favorite contacts here for easy access later. Now, if you want even more out of hands-free calling, you can enable enhanced features on your Echo Show to use in-call reactions and effects. Just tap on More, select Settings, then Communications, and Enhanced Features. Once these are enabled, you can use on-screen reactions and effects when you're talking to friends and family, or bring the whole crew together with group calls. One of my favorite things to do when I'm getting ready in the morning is to catch up on the news. Alexa makes it super easy to stay in the know about what's going on in the world. Just say, "Alexa, play the news."
Live from ABC News.
On Echo Show, you'll get on-demand and live video news from your choice of over 30 providers. If you're on an Echo without a screen, you can listen to on-demand or live audio from news providers too. You can also tailor your news to your preferred sources. The first time you ask for the news, Alexa will actually ask you to pick your favorite news provider.
Hey Brett, to find news you like, let's set your preferred news channel.
But you can always change your preferences in the Alexa app. Now that you know how to set your most important preferences, it's time for voice responses. That's how you can control how Alexa actually talks to you. If you ever feel like Alexa responses are too long, just say, "Alexa, talk less."
Okay, instead of me talking, sometimes you'll hear only this.
Then there's whisper mode. If you make a command or ask a question while you're whispering, Alexa will whisper back. Great for people who have a sleeping baby in the house like we do. "Alexa, what's the weather tomorrow?"
Tomorrow there will be mostly sunny weather with a high of 95 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 64 degrees.
There's also adaptive volume, which allows Alexa to adjust the volume based on the noise in your house. So Alexa can talk quieter when it's silent and can speak up when it's loud. You can also turn all these modes on or off in the Alexa app. Just go to More, then Settings, and then Voice Responses, and here you can adjust the settings. So there it is, 6 preferences you can change to make your Alexa experience even more personalized. And to find out what else Alexa can do, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or ask, Alexa, what can you do?